Hey guys, welcome to SkipperBud's. My name is Ryan Walker. Today I'm in Antioch, Illinois at our Sequoia Harbor location, and today we're going to be going through the 2022 Cruisers Yachts 390 Express Coupe. As you'll see, this one has the extended swim platform, giving you a ton of real estate in the back here. Got the underwater lights going right now, controlled from inside. Currently, we have it set up with the center walk-through. You got this really nice storage on both sides that lifts up. Great space for your short cable, your wash-down hoses, easy hookups, and extra lines on both sides. Really nice, easy access spot for everything. Got your gas fill up and also your transom water washdown. This one has the seagrass snap-in flooring as I walk through. Right now we have it in the split L-shaped seating arrangement in the back here, which is really nice for an open, easy walk through. A lot of people on board kind of climbing in and out. A really cool feature, there's a button right here. There's a couple of them, but these two on the end here will control the backrests or your aft seating, giving you a full sun pad. It does it on both sides, as you can see here. Pretty cool feature to give you some extra seating real estate. Got a nice teak table here that raises and drops. It also opens up, gives you twice as much table space. Another cool feature is there's a nice lock-in right here. When you have it released, this whole piece will slide over to give you a full U-shaped seating arrangement. Ton of room there. You can open up that table and seat up to 10 people. You also have a portside walkthrough now with the gate that is revealed once you slide it over. Give you a look from the back with the change now. And again, both of these backs can drop down with that button. This boat weighs about 20,000 pounds, 230-gallon fuel tank, and it has a length overall of 39 feet. Moving forward into the cockpit area, first we have a pull-out fridge freezer combo. Nice, easy outlet. You got your lighting, your engine room lights, your underwater lighting here. Also a pop-up sink and grill combo. Really nice. And that can be all tucked away to give you an extra surface. You got AC and heat vents here. There is a snappable coupe enclosure that you can see the snaps throughout the side there to give you that enclosed helm area if you're in inclement weather. You get your portside seating next to the driver and the helm situation here. Really nice big open feel. The windows are down. We got the moon roof retracted completely and just gives you a ton of visibility and a ton of light for those nice days of cruising. At the helm here, we got our Ray Marine graph and our Mercury engine controls, which also has GPS. You got your kicker audio head unit, your joystick controls here, your lighting and accessory buttons. You got your Bennett trim tab controls and your spotlight here. Also your other controls, your wipers, blowers, all that kind of stuff, and then your VHF radio. Really nice helm area. Right now I got the bolster seat flipped up. There's a little drop down there to give you some more clearance as well. And this can sit either direction depending on your fancy. There's a nice little step up there as well. Let's move down into the cabin. Really nice V-berth here with a high gloss teak table. There's storage underneath the cushions on both sides. This does drop down and as a filler to give you a nice bed area. Storage up above on both sides. Got another audio head unit control along with a TV right here. Nice, beautiful dry head. Shower is separated from the rest of the bathroom area. A theme that's common to cruisers is storage. There is no shortage of storage throughout this boat. They even go the extra mile and do something pretty cool with their steps. You open that up, now the camera's not doing it justice, but nice deep storage there for miscellaneous items, and it's all connected. Again, overhead storage. You got your microwave, stovetop, another fridge freezer combo. Garbage storage. Utensils. You got the remotes in there for the TVs. Moving into this aft cabin, you'll notice there's really good headspace when you first walk in. As you step down, you got a nice little bench here. And then you got your bed, which once you're laying down, there is a good amount of room. There's a TV right over there. We have the V-berth filler cushion right there. And you got your panel access through here, which has a little light. Once you open the door, it automatically turns on, which is really nice for when you're crawling back here. So all your access panels there. All right, let's head up to the bow. There are dual walkways up through the bow. I'm gonna go on the port side here. Really nice hand railings that are nice and tall. We have the sun pad cushions up front. They can also lift up and face forward. See if I can do this one-handed. Maybe. Nope. But both of those will recline up so you can lay facing forward. Nice walk around as well. You got your windlass controls there, also at the helm. Good shot of the visibility from inside with that huge window and the open moonroof. This boat does have the premium audio upgrade. We have a generator. This is the 120 volts. This is gas generator. Air and climate control in the cockpit. The defroster windshield, the electric grill that we went over, premium sound, underwater lights. It's ready to go. This boat is currently in stock and available at Antioch, Illinois, SkipperBud's at Sequoia Harbor. Again, my name is Ryan Walker. Thanks for watching, and take care.